Keep going.
I can't do it. Hold on.
Wait, it's stuck, isn't it?
Wait.
You got more, you got more. Okay, here it comes. Why does it always get stuck like that? Do you smell it?
One more. I keep farting. You keep what?
Does it smell bad?
Keep farting. Keep farting. It felt like trying to throw up in They're silent.
Oh, just a second, you're not ready yet.
You're not ready yet. I can't do it. You're gonna like burp yourself to death. Is that possible?
A burp? Awesome.
It sounds like burrito.
I wonder why.
Weird. Where?
I only ate 2 and a
You're
half.
gonna burp and a lung is gonna come out. A lung?
Oh, there's still so much air in my tummy.
A lung and it's gonna come out. Thank you.
Oh man.
A lung is gonna come out.
No, there's some beans and rice that's gonna come up with this one, I think.
A lung is gonna come out. I'm afraid I'm gonna puke on his shoulder. Sally, I think you've got one. Sally's got one. Oh! That was like all built up, and then.
Yeah, just swallow a bunch of air. And then do it again, and do it again. No, you just keep swallowing. Don't let it out, don't let it out. Keep swallowing.
I can't.
You're letting it out. Can you feel a bunch in your stomach? Oh, you're not doing it right.
Oh! Can you put
Huh?
Can you put pants back on? I'm kind of feeling uncomfortable.
Oh, it's upside down for them.
It's making me feel uncomfortable.
Why?
I mean, I can wear these because you've seen me in them a million times.